The Guardian. The Sun. Middle East crisis live. Iran warns it will close Strait of Hormuz if U.S. blockade continues. World Snooker Championship 2026, full schedule, TV channel, and free live stream as Ronnie O'Sullivan chases 8th title. Today, April 16th. Here are the top global headlines tonight in a quick, clear update. Globe showing Europe-Africa-Middle East tensions ease slightly. A major development in the ongoing crisis. Iran has reopened the Strait of Hormuz after a temporary ceasefire with the U.S. and Israel. The Guardian. Iran warned it could close the key oil route again if U.S. naval pressure continues. The Guardian. Global markets reacted immediately. Oil prices dropped sharply. Stock markets rose. World leaders are cautiously optimistic, but the situation remains fragile. Warning ongoing regional instability. Despite the ceasefire, violations and tensions continue in places like Lebanon and Gaza. The Guardian. Diplomatic talks are ongoing, but long-term peace is uncertain. Pool 8 ball major sports event begins. The World Snooker Championship 2026 kicks off today in England. The Sun. Star player Ronnie O'Sullivan is chasing a record 8th world title. The Sun. Horse racing Scottish Grand National underway. One of the UK's biggest horse racing events is happening today at Ayr. Talksport. Top contenders are competing, with strong global attention from sports fans. Compass big picture tonight. Geopolitics. Middle East tensions still dominate global headlines. Economy, oil and markets reacting to conflict developments. Sports. Major international tournaments drawing attention.